you guys. I just wanted to show you how we can take the graphics, words, and information that a nonfiction book gives us and become more knowledgeable about that topic. So here we have a page from a nonfiction book about zebras. Okay, we see a picture of a zebra. We can kind of tell where they live. If you look at the background, it looks, kind of dry. You can see by the look of the zebra, it's on the bottom of its feet. It's almost like a dusty area. So we know it might be in the desert somewhere. Africa is a very well-known place for zebras to live. But you can see that it's not a very moist area. Okay. A lifespan, if I look over on the left-hand side of the page, it says a lifespan is an average of 25 years. That's a pretty long time for zebras, so that's telling me that they can live very long, have a very long lifespan. They get up to 60 inches tall at shoulder, so that is pretty tall for a zebra. They weigh about 440 to 990 pounds. That's about 3 to 6 adult men put together. So that is a very big and heavy zebra. Their coat is shiny, eliminates 70% of the heat. Okay, so a shiny coat may help them in their environment. Their hair sticks up and is striped, unlike a horse's mane, so that you are able to tell the difference between when you see a horse and a zebra. Their mouth eats mostly grass and roots, so we know what kind of nutrients they need to eat in their environment. So grass and roots is what they live on. We know that they do not eat meat. Okay, so I'm thinking a little bit more deeper into those facts. Their teeth delivers a painful bite used for protection, so that is how a zebra can find off those predators like lions and other animals with sharp teeth, that even though it does only eat mostly grass and roots, its bite is strong enough to fight off those predators, which is quite interesting. I didn't know that. Their stripes act as camouflage to break up outlines of zebra's body. So yes, zebras are known for their stripes, but it is for their camouflage to protect themselves from those predators. Their tail is tufted at tip, unlike a horse's tail, so that is how we can distinguish the difference again between this being a horse and being a zebra. Legs can run 35 to 40 miles an hour. That's pretty fast. I would say that would be another technique of what they use to get away from their predator. Their hooves protect their feet to cover rough terrain. So there you go. There's some information about where they live. Powerful kick fights off predators. So not only do they have a strong bite, but they also have a strong kick to help survive. So survival stripes. Every zebra has a different stripe pattern, like a human fingerprint. A newborn zebra learns at its mother's pattern. I kind of cut off that very bottom part. But there is a lot of information that I'm getting from zebras. Not that they're just black and white and they look like a horse, but that they live in a dry area. They have a strong jaw to bite off their predators, as well as having a strong kick. That their stripes, yes, they are black and white and very beautiful, but they also are very unique. They help them blend in with their environment for camouflage, for safety, and they are all different. Even though they might look the same, they are actually all different. And that they weigh between 440 to 990 pounds. And that they don't eat meat, that they eat grass. So I'm getting a lot of information. This isn't just a pretty picture to just look at. You really have to look and think about, why is the author giving me this information? Well, it's telling me more about the zebra and how they survive their environment. So I want you to take what I have taught you here and I want you to apply it to the next slide.